Hello guys, welcome to a virtual career expo. I am Anele Msweli, one of the adoptees from Destination Varsity. I am a first year student at the University of Cape Town. So I'll just start by giving you guys a university outline. Start by defining what a faculty is. This is a cluster of university groups that are concerned with a common profession. Okay. The examples of faculties we have Science Faculty, Commerce, Engineering, Faculty of Health Sciences, the Faculty of Education, and the Humanities Faculty. So I am under the Science Faculty and I'm doing a BSc in Applied Mathematics, Applied Statistics, and Computer Science. The nice thing about being under the Science Faculty, in my very own humble opinion, is that I'm able to choose my majors in the Science Faculty in whichever way I want to do them and choose the courses I do as well. Unlike other faculties which have structures degree, so they give you the specific courses which are tailored for that degree that you want to obtain. So let's focus on math, stats, and computer science, which are courses I know better as they are my majors. Right, so start by talking about computer science. Computer science is teaching a student about the workings of a computer. In this course, you get to learn how to program a computer to produce whatever you want it to produce using algorithms and writing programs. Okay, just like us humans, computers work with different languages. The many languages which computers use, and you get to explore all of that in computer science. An example of what is done in computer science is developing applications which serve the demands of the population. Alright, so I've written down the core courses that you do if you want to major in computer science. So the courses I wrote down here are course codes for the University of Cape Town. You will see that for some courses I did write what it means. For example, MEM 1008S is Introduction to Discrete Maths. So if you want to go to the University of Pretoria, maybe you will see a course which is the Introduction to Discrete Maths. Then you might be able to connect that course code and the description of that maths. So at UCT you do need maths in order to major in computer sciences, which is Introduction to Discrete Maths for the second semester. That S at the end stands for second semester, and the F stands for first semester. The W, that's a course you do for the whole year. Okay, so computer science 1015 and 1015F for first semester and 1016 for second semester. That is the hardcore computer sciences for level 1, which you will need if you major in computer science. Second year computer science is level 2. It's 2001F first semester, 2002 second semester, and that Z, it's the the CSC 2004 Z. That's a programming assessment. So there's no semester as Z semester, no. And then informatics 2009 F, that's systems analysis. Then for third year you only have 2 semester modules for computer science. Now in order for you to do computer sciences at UCT, I know you need pure maths of 70%. For other universities you do need 65% in order for you to qualify to do computer sciences for your NSC maths and a faculty point score of no less than 550. The UCT science handbook will give you an idea of how to calculate a faculty point score. Other universities want you to have an APS of no less than 38 in order for you to do computer science. Then applied mathematics, this course teaches you how to apply pure maths into real life situations. Very useful for designing or developing methods which will satisfy the always upcoming problems. So an example of what applied mathematicians do is, okay, in the field of physics, they work with they work under the air fluid mechanics to find out exactly what does the forces applied, what do the forces applied, affect how fluids flow. So the courses for a major in applied maths, that's applied maths level 1, so that's 1043H and 1044H, which is the courses you do for the whole year. Write your exams at the end of the year. Yeah. Then MEM 1000W. MEM 1000W is maths that is needed, the hardcore maths, if I may put it like that, the hardcore maths for level 1. That's the hardest maths you'll find at the level 1 course, okay? And you need at least 1 semester of computer science. So you can choose any computer science course that you want to do, as long as it's a level 1. You don't really need to do the hardcore computer science. You can do it to have an advantage, but you just need 1 semester of computer science. You don't need to do 2 courses of computer science. Then second year you do the hardcore maths level 2 and then applied mathematics level 2, which is MEM 2046W. Then for third year, I'm sorry guys, I have a bit of a flu. Then for third year you only do your core course, you only do applied maths level 3. You don't need to do the hardcore maths level 3. So the requirement for this at UCT is maths 70% upwards, and then 65% for universities outside of UCT, and a faculty point score of 550 upwards. You may get maths of 80% and still not qualify to do applied maths because your faculty point score is less than that they need, less than the one that they need for you in order to be enrolled under the science faculty. So under the science faculty at UCT, you must have a faculty point score of no less than 550. And for applied statistics, you collect, store, analyze, interpret, and display data. You learn to identify problems and come up with innovative solutions which will be useful for the business or whatever organization you're working under. Then of course you need to analyze the data. An example of what statisticians do is understanding the pros and cons of financial investments, like what are the benefits of doing that and what are the risks of doing that. So you need to understand and tell us the risks and returns of doing that. So I've outlined the courses done in first year, second year core courses, and third year core courses. So the faculty point score for doing stats is the same for any science faculty course. Needs you to have a faculty point score of 550 and above. You shouldn't aim for the faculty point score here because a lot of people want to enroll for that and there's limited space, so it's better for you to aim above the mark in order for you to be enrolled, okay? Why did I choose my 3 majors specifically? So initially last year I had chosen applied mathematics and applied statistics because I really loved mathematics. It was my favorite subject, and I chose stats just because I didn't want to be a graduate who's unemployed. There are a lot of career opportunities for statisticians. Then when I talked to my university father, he talked to me about computer science. Okay, I was like, okay, I'm intrigued. I mean, I had thought about data science, but then the thought of computer science was like, nah. I mean, I didn't do IT in high school, so why the hell would I do computer science university? And he told me about the opportunities I would have as someone who's done computer science at university. And then I changed my mind. I decided to drop stats and then take computer science. But when I got to UCT during orientation week, I was told that I can actually do 3 majors. I can register for 3 majors. Then I was like, okay, I'll do applied mathematics, applied statistics, and computer science. Expectation versus reality in university. Yo! It's not exactly what I expected. I mean, I did expect to have a lot of work here, but the amount of work here is insane. It's overwhelming. Yo, it makes you wanna cry. Like, if you do not know how to manage your time properly, you it's gonna be very hectic for you. I mean, it gets better if you do how to manage your time. You see, you're able to study, complete your assignments, and do everything in time. I've gotten what I expected for computer science and maths, but applied maths, I'm not a huge fan of physics, ne? That's why I didn't choose to major in physics. But with applied maths, it's your left foot in physics and your right foot in maths. So there's a bit of physics, a lot of physics, not a bit actually involved, and that's not a yoga for me. So here I've given you guys a list of careers that you can pursue as a computer science graduate, as an applied mathematics graduate, and as a statistics graduate. I've also given you guys salary expectations for different careers you may want to pursue from the careers listed above after you graduate, so please look into that. Software developers and actuaries, rich peoples. So I have given you guys a list of companies that hire graduates with the majors I have, which is statistics, computer science, and applied maths. I've divided them. So for statisticians, you have companies which are interested in hiring statisticians, for computer sciences as well, and for applied mathematicians. The thing is, with applied mathematics or physics or any of those like hardcore majors, chemistry and whatnot, you usually need a master's degree or PhD in order for you to be recognized that much. If you don't have a flexible major, you might just graduate with your BSc in physics or whatever and still be unemployed, because you can work as a lecturer if you have your master's or doctorate. So you need to have a flexible major like computer science. You can major in physics and computer science. That's very advantageous. Personally, the company I would like to work for is my very own company. I don't really want to work for a company, for someone's company, for the rest of my life, but I would love to start at Amazon. So Amazon, hire me please. Thank you guys for watching this video.